In the morning light, we face the dawn. 15 years strong, and our love goes on. Every little moment, every sweet embrace, with you by my side, I found my place. Through the laughter and the tears, we found our way. You're my forever.
Dear ones and ones, welcome back to the channel, Joan TV. What like, share, comment, and subscribe. Right now, how do I fly over TheTryAll? Show one of the recovery after the hurricane. Progress is still on. So, what like, share, comment, and subscribe. It's breezy day. Next windy day. You know? Stay tuned.
And I want you to know the things I wanna do to you. You're a bad girl, you know I need that girl. Girl, I know I'm feeling you. When you touch it, when you rock it, you're so sweet.
Yes, ones and ones, man. Welcome back again. So make a flyover over the beautiful TheTryAll. So right here we're coming up on the Villa Hanover Grange, otherwise known as the Glass House. Yes, very beautiful. As you guys can see, this come back 100%, but come back compared to a Hurricane Melissa last year. So stay tuned and fly over. Yeah, and right beside Hanover Grange right there is that Infinity Villa. Infinity. So you go cross the free. You can see what is that's Villa Amana. Top side they have Lions there, owned by the boxer Lennox Lewis. And then on the left hand side over there you have Harmony Hill. Yes man, come on, we take a tour, drone view. Yeah, ones and ones, you don't know, TryAll property at 22,000 acres. Yeah, so them actually the two side the road, the main road running at the middle. So they have some tunnel where them used to drive underneath without going on the main road. Yes man, watch what I'm going. Yeah man, so right here on the right, it's Villa Amana. Top side that brownish beige color, that's Lions Lair. That's Lennox Lewis Villa. And on the left hand side here you have Harmony Hill. Yes man, so you have 100 odd villas, but about 90 something in operation right now. Yes man, good vibes man, beautiful man. Taking the shots. Come along. So we're flying over Harmony Hill Villa right now. What a beauty. So we're going across a section of the golf course. heading on to where they call Barnes Hill. Let's go. And the golf course consists of 18 holes. Yeah, world class, A-class golf course, up to world standards. Yes, man. Yes, man, heading over the golf course, heading towards Barnes Hill. This villa on your right, I think it's the tree house villa. Then on the left, I think that's Yellow Bird villa. No, I'm mistaken. That's also a part of tree house. So the one on the left and the right is one villa. It's a part of tree house. Yes. You can see it clearly. Now, right here you have, this is Sugar Hill. Now this is Yellow Bird on the left here. Yes, so we're currently at Barnes. Yes. If you look on the right, you can see where the main road travels up. So there are a lot of movements up that side on the right. We're not going to venture up that side today. As I said before, this property is 22,000 acres. I have to fly it section by section. Yeah, can't fly out everything from one battery line. No. Right. So this villa here now. Yeah, trick me now. Trick me. Yes, H&H, hummingbird villa. Trick me for a second there. It's massive. Just male seat from up top and then massive. Check down the floor. Yes. So as you can see, my villa, I know all I villa them are good. Check me how them looks. See you know down there, so. Yeah. This time I can't go no better run my villa, but heading cross, you may know the name Nicholas. So you go cross the other side. Yeah. For those who don't know, so the car them go that side that road Carabao St. James, Mobile. Back on the left hand side of the carrot in the grill, in the west. Yes, man. Look at the beautiful golf course, look at that. Yes, man. Alright, let's talk in. Let's take in the visuals. Yes.
Hey yo, I'm not even gonna lie. I used to call myself an ugly youth, but I'm not even an ugly youth. I'm a sexy youth, you understand? Got all over the globe when I'm up, you understand?
So across this river here, you have the number 3 green. It's a bridge that they used to go across with the golfers. It was damaged in Hurricane Melissa, but it has been restored up and running. It's beautiful.
Snapchat to Instagram posting. Fuck up the vibe, my dick start running like London Bridge. I don't care if I saw you in a magazine or if you're on TV, that wouldn't mean nothing to me. Don't need a shower, baby, I need a freak. Lick it like ice cream, as if you mean to be disgusting. It's nothing, jump right and now. One side, I like no stopping it. Go shopping, fuck that.
Yeah man, taking a reverse shot. Yeah man, a reverse come straight back down the forward. Yeah man, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Joan TV, that is it. That will work.
to center. She just love my coming low, leave me border. And if my success they disturb you, go the cover. If you know the money, no they call me, no disturbance. I'm alright, I'm alright. Check your time, check calendar. I'm alright, I'm alright. Check your time, check calendar.
Making a beautiful sunset that's down by the Negril side. Check it out, beautiful, beautiful. That is it. Beautiful. Relaxing, look at that, man. $1 million. More than $1 million view right now.